Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download Wattpad story. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wattpad. You can see over here, Wattpad has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is first of all, tap on the story that you want to download. In this interface, if you do not find the story, you can also search for it in the Discover interface. For that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to search for the stories or people, or if you find the stories in the home interface only, simply tap on the story that you want to download. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Downloading the story means that you want this story to be available when offline too. So in order to do that, what you have to do is add this story to the library. So what you have to do is tap on this option, library, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find the reading list over here. Simply tap on the option library, or you can also add this to the reading list, but if you want it to be available offline, simply tap on this option, library. Now after that, the story will be added in the library. What you have to do is go back. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the library icon that you can see at bottom. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the story that you added to the library right now. Right below it, you'll be able to find this kind of download icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here that story will be available offline. So like this, you'll be able to download the Wattpad stories. So that is how you download Wattpad story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.